Beer vibes in this, Grizzly beer at them, you see me I say. Yeah man, I really no sympathy. I don't even know what to say, I don't even know which part to start, but you know what I mean, the man fresh. The man fresh. And the one we may talk about a Gargamel, the one and only. You know what I mean? The one and only Buju Banton. How I really go on people? How I really go on? Me need to tell me. You know what I mean? You need to comment. We need to subscribe. We need to have a dialogue on this situation and this topic here, cause I don't know. I need to hear phone views. I need to know how you take it. You know what I mean? Because remember our artist, is our entity, our one would have said no diamond in the rough, that you see me and say, yeah, man free up out of incarceration. You know what I mean? Out and about a ding. Big show, you know what I mean? Drop a big show as him reach. Be people full up in a stadium like an international footballer play. I never see stadium full so yet, but I don't know a be a baller in a place. So how Trinidad fair deal with the Gargamel them way there? The Gargamel people. Eh? Remember now them man they said destiny, Mama look from when you're calling. Eh? Not for the ones them were in a politics, not for the one them where I run things now, not for the youth them where grew up and then at the offices. Grew up and listen to Buju Banton. You know what I mean? Not saying, if this man do something which he needs to be reprimanded. You know what I mean? You guys not supposed to take action. But if there is no reason for reprimandment or there's no reason why not try to get a write up in the paper, or I guess maybe them did want to get talked about, because right now I'm not talking about Trinidad right now, because an action like that, you know what I mean, I don't know people. You need to tell me, you know what I mean, you need to relate with me and let me know what really going on. Because this is Buju, the Banton, Gargamel. Yeah? You can't play with the Buju. Remember, the man is out, fresh. You know what I mean? Him start go here and there. I put him thing together because what? You need to catch up back. You know what I mean? Him need to, you know what I mean, touch some souls and some people who not see him long time or well want to see him. You know? Because remember, he's a powerful musician, Remember in the 90s, I'm not talking about from Ballad. You know what I mean? Buju a big, bad artist. Yeah? All that Trinidad that jump up and I go on with one bag of thing in the carnival, them and you don't know the man them music just play. You know what I mean? Then the man will Rasta and start shed light and enlightenment on the ones them. You know what I mean? An iconic individual. So people, beer vibes, So all I want you to do is to click the bell down there, so you see me I say subscribe, you know what I mean? Comment, like, and share, because we can all have a conversation together, you see me? So it's your boy Grizzly Bear, and I'm out.